Hi, this is Cheryl Traxler here, and I live on an island, a little island in Alaska. And see the beautiful rainforest behind me right here? And we also have snow-capped mountains as well. And in May, the whales will be coming in our cove, our little cove here, which is exciting since I love photography. And this will be so much fun to see. In fact, you know, the whales are air breathers, so like every 7 to 10, 15 minutes they will come up. And so that's going to be wonderful to be able to capture a snapshot of these beautiful, magnificent creatures. So I'm excited about that. I have 7 beautiful grandkids. And please visit me on my Facebook fan page, Princess Lifestyle, to connect. And let's talk about postcard money, also known as mailbox money. And advertisers, they do this all the time. They send out these postcards. You ever get these in the mail? Of course you do. This business is booming, and it is the best lead generation tool, period. And recession proof, because you can do this at home or on vacation or anywhere. People hold these in their hands. Imagine how they feel when they get one of these in the mail. Beautiful full color card that gives them the answer to what they are looking for. I mean, some people have been stuck at home looking for backup income, right? Some people hate their jobs and looking for something else to do. And some want to stop living paycheck to paycheck. And it's simple and highly effective. So go to my fan page or go to my link below and check it out and connect with me. And thanks for watching. Bye from Alaska.